In previous assignments, we used the template and the provided shapes to work directly on the template. In this case, we wanted to create our design in a new image file and then copy it and paste it or drag and drop the design into the presentation template. I'm going to show you how to do that. I have a square style design to fit the square template. So I'm going to select it all, Control Copy, and hide the text layer. If for any reason you can't find the layers panel, normally it is in the lower right hand side of the Photoshop, or if it's not there, you can always make sure you go in and make sure layers is checked so you can see it. Now I'm going to Control V to paste, and notice that the frame is located in a layer above the layer that we copied our design into. That means the frame is going to mask the design. So we want to size it so it fits and maintains its symmetry. We're using the transform tool, Control or Command and the letter T, and I'm going to hold my Shift key down so I don't distort the design. If I forget to hold the Shift key down, it can get elongated or wider. So I want to make sure that it is square and fits exactly the format, the style of the design that I want. And I want to move that into position using the crosshairs to align it and apply that transformation. And then you would save for web and title it last name, first name, etc. Now for this one, I want to show you how to take a crystallographic design, and I'm going to select it all, Control Copy, and in my portrait format, I'm going to show you how this one works because it can get a little bit tricky adjusting, and I'm going to hide that text layer, Control V, and notice it looks much bigger because a crystallographic pattern, the one that I created, was very large. So I'm going to use the transform tool to reduce it, but I want to make sure that it aligns in the frame where the squares are not cut off so that I don't get half a row or half a column. So this can be a little bit more careful work so that it fits the way you want the design to be presented. And I think that's getting close, maybe a little bit small or a little bit larger there, and move it into position. Yeah, maybe if I move it up a little bit, I won't have to worry about that white edge at the top. There we go. I think that looks pretty good. And I'm going to apply my, I'm going to move it over just a tad. Go this way because the space between is better, and apply that transformation, and I've got a nice crystallographic pattern there. And for my final, I'm going to show you how to drag and drop. So I have this other design here, and I've got it undocked from the panel that it was docked in with all the other designs. So I pull it away, and I'm going to select it all, Control All or Command All, Command Copy, and come into the presentation template here, hide that layer, Command V, and there it is. And I had it resized already so it fits perfectly, so all I need to do is save for web, title it my last name, first name, week number, assignment number.